Hello guys! Hi sa inyong lahat. My name is Ruro Martinez and welcome to my channel, Ruro Martinez. I hope you all subscribe to my channel sa lahat na hindi pa nakasubscribe. So nandito ako ngayon. So my first video na gagawin ko is about to introduce kung ano yung ginagamit ko na camera or action camera sa mga adventures ko, sa mga ibang video ko, sa pagka-cover ko ng drums, sa mga ibang recording ko na nagamit ko bilang side camera. I would like to introduce to you ang 4K Ultra HD camera. Ito yung ginagamit ko na bilang side camera ko sa mga video ko. So, later on, I will show you the quality, and today I will discuss also about the price. This is a very cheap one and good quality. Kaya, tutukan nyo lahat. Ito na discuss natin mamaya. Okay? Ready na kayo? Let's go! Let's go!
Derpity derp 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 derpity derp 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 derp.
The Action Pro 4K Ultra HD is a high-definition video products for market demand. It has the industry-leading digital video, camera, sound recording, video, playback, and other functions. It is mainly for driving records, outdoor riding, home security, diving, surfing, rock climbing, and other scenes to meet your needs of shooting HD precious images everywhere. The 4K Ultra HD provided with waterproof shell diving capabilities to make you shoot the wonderful water and underwater sports. Waterproof shell can be waterproof to 30 meters depth. It has a 1080 pixels HD high-speed shooting function, 2-inch Ultra HD display screen, real-time display and play sighting video capture. Removing the battery can be flexible, easy to replace the battery and prolong life. 1,200 million high-definition wide-angle lens. It has also an HDMI HD output, web camera function. It supports up to 32 GB memory card. The multiple video recording formats, 1080 pixels to 720 pixels. A variety of shooting modes, single shot, automatic continuous, time-taking pictures, the ultra-small mini appearance, a variety of colors, Wi-Fi latest remote control technology, cell phone application can control equipment video camera, download online videos and photos, WDR wide dynamic clear video. Ang 4K Ultra HD ay meron siyang USB, microphone, TF card, HDMI, power button, mode, camera, work indicator light, charging indicator light, display, Wi-Fi light, enter button, off K, Wi-Fi K, down case, speaker, battery compartment switch, and battery compartment. At aside sa mga magagandang features niya, meron din siyang mga magagandang accessories na pwede mong gamitin depende sa adventures mo.
I'm sexy and I know it.
Guys, that's it for today. So, meron na kayong mga idea regarding about sa ginagamit ko ng side camera regarding about the 4K Ultra HD. So, ang prices nito guys is very cheap, and for your information, napakadaming promo ngayon. From 5,000 pesos na price, nagiging 1,200 to 1,000 300 na lang mga guys. Kaya tingnan nyo at check nyo this out. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Bili na kayo ng side camera now na! Bye-bye!
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.